Good morning, everyone. First for all, thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our journal review. Today, our group will present a study entitled Implication of NFT as the Sustainable State Innovation for Sustained Development and Entrepreneurship. This research discusses how non-fungible token or NFTs have evolved beyond digital collectible and become an innovative financial technology that support entrepreneurship and sustainable development. Now, let's begin with the background of this study. Slide 2. Background. The rapid development of digital technology has changed many aspects of our life, including the financial sector. One of the most significant innovations is the emergence of NFT, which are digital assets based on blockchain technology. At first, NFTs are mainly used for digital art and collectible. However, their role has expanded significantly. Today, NFT are also used for investment, fundraising, and supporting entrepreneurial activity toward transparent and decentralized digital transaction. This growing potential encourages research to examine how NFT can contribute not only the digital economy but also to sustainable development. Slide 3. Research objective. After understanding the background, let's move on to the objective of this research. This study have five main objectives. First, it analyzes the global growth of NFT funding. Second, it identifies the key factor that in drive NFT investment. Third, it examines how NFT contributes to achieving the sustainable development goals. In addition, the study explored the role of NFTs in entrepreneurship and identified the main challenge in implements NFT as sustainable financial innovation. These objectives provide a comprehensive understanding of the opportunities and challenges of NFT in today's digital economy. Now, I would like to hand off for the presentation to the second person who will explain the research method and finding.
Thank you. I will now explain the research methodology used in this study. This research combines a quantitative approach with a systematic literature review or seller. The research collect data from the CB and says database covering developed 21 5 to 2021 to analyze the difference in MFT funding trends. The study evaluated the main weaknesses are statistical method used to compare data between different groups. This approach will ensure that the research findings are objective and support reliable data. Next, let's discuss the main finding of the research. The results show the NFT investment experienced significant growth the study brought although an FT funding began in 2015 demonstrated increase occurred between 2019 and 2021. The years 2021 became the peak on MFT investment ranking approved is materially for $8 billion. The rock to 59 funding transaction distributable grow index increase investor confidence in NFT and demonstrates that blockchain technology has become an important part of the digital economy. After discussing the finding, let's look at the factor that influence MFT growth. The research identifies several key factors that encourage the development of NFT. This include strong economic growth, greater access to private financing, globalization, even in information and communication technology, the increasing number of internet users, and secure digital infrastructure. Together, these factors create a supportive environment for NFV innovation and accelerate its adoption in various industries around the world. Now I will like to invite the third presenter to explain the contribution of MFT to sustainable development along with their benefit and challenge.
Thank you. In this section, I will explain how NFTs contribute to sustainable development. According to the study, NFTs are not only digital assets, but also financial innovation that can support several sustainable development goals, or SDGs. Through the blockchain technology, NFTs improve transparency, expand access to funding, and encourage digital innovation. The research highlights several SDGs that benefit the most from NFT adoption, including no property, quality education, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, and climate action. This contribution demonstrates that NFTs have the potential to create both economic and social value. Besides its advantage, NFTs also face several challenges. On the positive side, NFTs help business raise funds more efficiently, improve transparency through blockchain technology, support digital entrepreneurship, and connect entrepreneurs with global investors. However, there are still several challenges, such as the lack of clear regulation, cybersecurity risks, high energy consumption, and limited digital literacy. Therefore, collaboration between government, business, and technology developers is essential to ensure the sustainable growth of NFTs. To conclude, this study showed that NFTs have evolved beyond digital collectible into promising vintage innovation. They support entrepreneurship by expanding funding opportunities, increasing transparency, and encouraging innovation through blockchain technology. Although NFTs still face several challenges, their potential to contribute to sustainable development is significant. With better regulation, stronger digital infrastructure, and greater public awareness, NFTs can play an important role in building a more sustainable digital economy. To bring us to the end of our presentation, thank you very much for your attention. We hope this presentation has provided a better understanding of how NFTs can support sustainable development and entrepreneurship. We will be happy to answer any question. Thank you.